All right, good morning. It's about 10 minutes to the bell. Very late today, but just dealing with getting the house ready for some Thanksgiving guests. And what's going on with you, Takeda? Just pre-market, probably junk. Okay, anyway, let's go back. We're just under 400 here on the SPY. Having a rough time with that EMA. Now it's not showing it, but I think it was this day, or was it? Not really sure now. Was it Monday or Friday that we had a wick that went all the way up to here, and that's why I came up with this downtrend ray? But you could see that's where we capped off yesterday. We ran into the 200-day EMA and then landed right on it. And today we're having trouble getting above it. But I mean, yesterday it was a good sign. We busted above, so I think I would say we're safely above that downtrend ray from there. And then the question is this is next? Yeah, so there's the next one. All right. So right on top, there's another one right there for you. But this acceleration's good. Now I put this one in after day 2, so I think it was on the 14th. I noticed it right away. So that we were under. I thought this was pretty low conviction. I thought it was just a momentary stop, and that lasted almost 2 weeks there. So what I thought was supposed to be transitory turned into 2 weeks worth of the market. So this could be it too. I mean, this could easily just grind this way for a while and do the same thing, and maybe I don't know if it's gonna have enough power to pop it down. But if you look at the angles, I mean, I would skew it to the bull, but I mean it's still pretty symmetrical. So gotta keep that in mind, that even though things are chopping around right here, one solid down day could break down through all this, and we can come back down in this area within a few days to a week. Qs. She's still chopping around in here. Yeah. So Q still, that means the diamonds might be giving us the lead here today. So the diamonds are up, but we're still not above the high here. Ugh. SPY's okay. Q's good for today, but in general still lagging substantially. And then diamonds have been the leader, but today we're getting a little weakness in the pre-market. Still on the uptrend, but we need this to happen. We need this to get over this W kind of double bottom setup here. I mean, I'm still happy the angle out is steeper than the angle in. That means that this is legit buying. There's, not just exchange of shares chopping around doing nothing. There's some emotion behind this, so I'm feeling optimistic that diamonds will ultimately get above, but we might see a snap, like maybe come back down to this EMA or anchored VWAP. We could see that probably in every major indice here. Q's kind of did it already though. So it got above the high, came back down, touched, and now is going back up a little bit. Get SPY's kind of the lagger. So in terms of movement, the Q's are looking better, but it's still falling, yeah. And the SPY is not even close to this big W formation. Now in terms of down here, double bottom, it's done it. There he did it, came back, retested, now it moved back up. this is probably, yeah, the last few months has been the first time that I've really seen kind of this bottom from October. It's the first time in a long time I've seen a real big difference between what the SPY, Qs, and the diamonds look like. I mean, they're following each other, but they're still, their charts look a little, just enough to say things are different. Whereas if you go back all the way till probably around June, everybody was looking basically the same. So now it's like that rotation is really starting to show up on the daily charts, which can be good because now we're going up. I think maybe that tells us the Qs, all that, valuation and crap in the Qs, the Rokus and the overpriced Netflixes and Facebook, Twitter. Well, Twitter's different, but all those high premium names kind of getting shaped. I don't want to say they're a reasonable valuation for what versus an absurd valuation. That reminds me, what does SQ look like? I'm gonna look at SQ block now, right? Yeah, it's not a square anymore; it's a block. Oh, that looks good. Looks terrible, but looks good for me. Oh, love me. Whole crypto stuff has just killed it. Sorry that I'm going off a little bit on a tangent here, but we can see that there it is. So, well, no, that didn't retest it yet. Maybe that's the one. I'm always looking for the day this wants to really get out of here. That might be it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Oh, no. Go. So tested it, failed, got above, came down, retested, came up, and now we look for the uptrend. So there it is there. This was probably one. So let's put that in there, and we'll come back in a few days, or maybe a week or so, and see if that's where. That could be it there. Maybe that was it. They come up and retest it. We'll see in a week or so. Volume's declining. Check the RSI. See, there's some strength here. All right. Yep, there it is. We're on it now. But this was a name. I mean, look at this. We're at 60 something, and we were all the way up to near 3, right? Yeah, 275. Near 3. Healthy dividends. I would say let's see if we can find something at the open here. Probably be MDT. I have this at 20.75. I mean, at 75 is my next stop. So maybe with this downtrend they'll test that. I thought they kind of did that already here. Maybe get down to this. Yeah, 75 would be where I'm looking. Do we have? Yeah, we do. Might have to be a serious drop. No, we getting up. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the lower 70s, see if we can even get down to the 60s. Let's look at the monthly and see if we can get anything here. Nice support. Yeah, that might bring it down to 72. 200-day EMA is at 75. So first is 75, then 72. And then we're going to go to like the mid-60s, it looks like. I mean, obviously, I would say any spot between around 63 and right now, this could easily turn around. Because, yeah, this support here, I'm just really not interested in it until it hits. Yeah, maybe that 75 would be the first spot I would even consider on that EMA. And then maybe go all the way down to 63. That's broken. Okay. Anybody else? WST, my eye on the sucker. I'm not freaking out about WST. This is... Oh, yeah. There you go. I might buy this today. Why not? 2250. That's a move. Hello. Oh, my dogs are barking. I'm sorry. God knows why. Maybe someone's showing up for Thanksgiving early. That was a move. That was right off that bottom, too. Someone's spying on me. Oh, no. Looks like we got a... Yeah, we got a nice solid move on a lot of people. Okay. All right. See how this sucker's showing up here. All right. I remember there was like the COVID weakness, and it's like, yeah, COVID's not going away, and most employers and school systems and doctors are still going to test for COVID. So, I mean, you might find some of the retail testing, like at-home testing, going down substantially, but your labs where they're doing diagnostics and actually doing PCR and all the other advanced testing techniques, they're not going anywhere. Now they're back to doing their cancer and blood screenings and metabolic tests, all that stuff. That's right back. So, yeah, Quest and LabCorp, it's okay. Oh no, there's gonna be some COVID weakness. No. These guys have been dying for COVID to go away, even though they're making money on it and they're getting big contracts. These guys want to get back to doing all the other tests. The ones that they can just charge an arm and a leg for. They couldn't charge an arm and a leg for COVID tests. You know the optics on that? In the time of crisis, they're going to charge premium prices on that stuff. Give me a break. Let's think, people. Oh, no, that's not what I want. LabCorp. Yeah. So GSK, these guys have just been tandemed the whole way. See that? Same program. Running it. GSK got worse, but that general movement of when it pivoted... Whoopsies, that's not what I wanted. I mean, GSK definitely got worse, which I understand why, but yeah, we're there. All right, these dogs are killing me. I'm gonna end it because these dogs are just barking too much, and I apologize. All right, let's end it here. I haven't put anything into the chat yet, and I apologize. I'll probably go with the same thing as yesterday. Most GSK, SNY, MDT still looking there, and OGN. Let's look at the chart real quick. I'm sorry, starting to look pretty good. Oh, we broke down there, and we're nope, holding off. We might have something here, but that's really weak. But it's there. That's not good. I mean, it's obviously the angle attack definitely is to the downside of it, if that's how it is. Actually, let's do this. Well, here's the bottom. Yeah, That's pretty weak. That's, you know what? No, I think that might be just a wick outside of it. I think the trend is more up here. Right? Yep. There. Okay. So we got that one, and that just, it sometimes, I mean, there could be one here, but there is one here, and the seems like the rest of them are following that. Yeah, that's probably more like it. Okay, I'm gonna end it there. All right, so take it easy, stick to the healthy dividends right now. The rest of the guys in the bioreactor, these guys are kind of, our top guys are, well, Regeneron, where are you at? There you are. Still looking for like around 800 for this guy. So, I mean, see, this is what I'm saying. Like, some of these guys they're up ahead. They're obviously the leader, but they're going to need the market to really accelerate up in order for us to get this next level. Say, kind of like flagging up here. MBIX. Well, they made a move. Another one I was looking at here. Oh, ISRG. Yeah, see, it's another flagging movement here. Just got up here and just chopping them. Another step up soon, hopefully. I don't know if that is coming anytime soon, but I was gonna wait for like 280 something to sell, but I might have to sell a little bit now, and I don't want to really. Eh. I'll stick it there. All right, that's enough. Take it easy. Stay healthy.